The suspicious death of 9 sea turtles is now under investigation.
That's right, Steve. 9 sea green turtles, that is, washed up on shore on Wednesday on Boca Chica Beach. There is little evidence as to how they may have died.
Channel 5's Daisy Martinez spoke with sea turtle experts about what they're doing now. She's live from our Cameron County newsroom. Daisy.
The sea turtles are being preserved so that they may be picked up by federal researchers and taken to a lab in Corpus Christi for further testing. The executive director at Sea Turtle Inc. on South Padre Island, Jeff George, tells us there were some signs that these turtles may have drowned. The protected green sea turtle has gone from an endangered to a threatened species. But Wednesday, 9 of them were found dead on the shores of Boca Chica Beach, according to Sea Turtle Inc. Executive Director Jeff George.
Yes, it is a blow. Our hearts are broken by it because we're in the business of helping sea turtles. With no real apparent signs of damage to their bodies and no significant cold front. Turtles don't drown from weather in the Gulf of Mexico. The Laguna Madre perhaps, but not the Gulf. George is calling these deaths suspicious. Upon opening the turtles' mouths, he says, there were some indications that they may have drowned. These animals are expert swimmers that can hold their breath for 20 minutes. George suspects it was something that held them down. If these turtles were caught in a fishing net or perhaps an illegal gill net or something offshore, within a matter of 20 minutes, they would have drowned. Texas Parks and Wildlife Sergeant Jared Barker says although a necropsy will be performed on each turtle to determine how they died, some possibilities are stronger than others.
That there could be some illegal gill nets that are being used in Mexican waters where they are allowed to fish with those type of nets.
Barker says the U.S. has a treaty with Mexico to protect certain animals. Sea turtles are one of those.
But the turtles are getting entangled in those nets, and then as the fishermen collect their harvest out of the nets, the turtles are not something that they're able to utilize, so they throw them back in the water. They drift north into the United States.
George tells us besides the cluster of 9 turtles, in the past 3 days, another 15 turtles have also been found dead. 4 of those discovered as we conducted this interview. NOAA researchers will perform the necropsies to determine these turtles' cause of death. George tells us each year Sea Turtle Inc. finds about 100 to 150 sea turtles dead on the shores of South Padre Island, the Laguna Madre, and Boca Chica Beach. This event, he says, is highly unusual. He also says it's illegal for anyone to pick up a sea turtle and take it home, whether it's dead or alive. The best thing is to report it to Sea Turtle Inc. or to authorities. Live from the Cameron County newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.